Well, certainly capital is the fuel that drives innovation and tech companies in Indiana and really around the globe. This year, the 2020 Mira Awards recognizing Elevate Ventures as its Investor of the Year. Phil Lodato is the General Counsel at Elevate Ventures. And Phil, thanks for joining us on the show and congratulations on the award.
Thank you for having me, Gary. I appreciate it.
Phil, give us, for those who may not know, what Elevate Ventures is all about, because in recent years here, the organization has made a real impact throughout the state in terms of funding innovation and technology. But give us the business model, if you will, of Elevate Ventures.
Sure thing. Happy to do so. So at Elevate, we refer to ourselves as a venture development organization. We are Indiana's venture development organization. On the venture side of that definition, we make return-based investments in Indiana startup and scale-up companies from the state of Indiana. On the development or economic development side of that equation, we partner with universities and regional and community stakeholders to support innovation and entrepreneurship at those universities or in their communities. We also seek to achieve certain economic development metrics, if you will, like attracting investment capital to the state, creating high-wage jobs, creating wealth for entrepreneurs, creating experience for entrepreneurs, and things of that nature.
Phil, 2019 was a big year for Elevate Ventures, about $14.2 million deployed through 76 different opportunities. So a big year for the organization. Why is this funding so critical in Indiana?
Well, at Elevate, we partner with founders and companies at the earliest stages, and we've found that historically that's where there's been a lack of private sector capital. So our goal is to enter and partner with those entrepreneurs and companies at the earliest stages and bridge them to a point at which the private sector, whether it's angel investors or institutional investors, will step in and help take the company to the next level. So we're investing in many cases before a company has a fully built product, before they've obtained a meaningful revenue, and we're helping finish product development, at least one that they can get into the market with. We're helping them attract early customers. We're helping them attract early talent to their teams. All those factors come together to make them more presentable opportunities for next stage capital providers. And that's where we found our a significant value add to be on the investment side of our house.
Yeah, and certainly I know the judges were particularly impressed by the statewide nature of your organization. So it's not just central Indiana or just one area of the state. You really do take a regional approach in driving these initiatives, and that can have a bottom line impact on the entire state.
That's right. So as many of your viewers know, we invest primarily out of a resource called the State of Indiana's 21st Century Research and Technology Fund. And that is a taxpayer appropriated vehicle. It's been in existence since 1999. And in that, it is a state program. We feel it critical to not only invest that resource in central Indiana, but around the four corners of the state. We've had a very deliberate partnership model to go into select communities around the state, to partner with universities there, with business and governmental leaders there, and to utilize their resources, their time, their knowledge, their capital, all to the benefit, combined with our resources, to innovation and entrepreneurship development in their backyard.
Elevate Ventures is the 2020 Mira Awards winner of the Investor of the Year, an organization making a real impact around the state of Indiana. Phil Lodato is the General Counsel at Elevate. Phil, thanks for joining us, and again, congratulations.
Thanks so much, Gary. I appreciate it.